This video will give you a quick introduction to the Microsoft Teams mobile app. There are apps for both iPhones and Android phones. These apps are very similar. This video will show the iPhone version. After you have downloaded the Microsoft Teams app from your Apple Store for iPhone or Google Play Store for Android, open the app and log in with your SEBTS ID and password. You can have multiple logins if you use multiple SEBTS accounts, such as a student who also has a staff account. The mobile app has the same information as the desktop versions, both browser-based and desktop app versions. Only the information is laid out differently to fit the smaller phone screen. You will see that the icons for the various functions within Teams are on the bottom of the screen, while on the desktop version they're on the left side. Due to the smaller screen, the mobile app can only hold 5 icons, plus the More icon on the bottom. You can reorder or hide these icons as you want. Since we don't make use of the assignments function at Southeastern, here's how you can move it and replace it with a more useful icon. Touch the More icon on the right and touch Reorder. In the Edit Navigation screen, use the controls at the right to move icons into or out of the visible icon section at the top. I will move the Assignments icon to the lower section and move the Files icon up into the upper section. Now click Done to see the results. Use this method to set up your icons as you want. Note that on the desktop version of Teams, you can do this by right-clicking the icon you want to remove and click Unpin. This will move it down into the More Added Apps section to unclutter your screen. Now we'll take a quick look through the various main functions in Teams. The Activity section shows recent conversation activity from contacts, whether it was from a chat or one of the teams you're in. The Chat section shows chats, individual or group chats you have had with any Southeastern contacts. Click one to see the full conversation or to continue it. To start a new chat, click the pen and paper icon at the top right. Enter and find the name you want and type your message. Click the arrow icon on the right of the entry field to send it. Now we'll look at the Teams section. The Teams section shows all the teams you're in. Click a team to expand it and see its channels. When in a channel, you can add a new post or reply to a previous post. If you are the owner of a team, you can make changes to the team by clicking the 3-dot ellipsis to the right of the team name. Use the selections to manage members, channels, edit the team's details like name, classification, etc. If a channel has files, you can view them by clicking the Files tab at the top. Now we'll go to the Calendar section, which shows your Outlook calendar. When you have a scheduled team meeting, you can go here to join it when it's time for the meeting. In the Files section, you can see and open files which are attached to any of your team channels or chats. You can also use the search field to find files. So that's a quick overview of the Teams mobile app. Thank you.